great to see you. We've missed you.
Great to see you as well.
It's great to have you. Okay, so what is the connection between how we are feeling mentally and the food we actually consume?
Yeah, well, yeah, I mean, you said it, what we eat is what we become, right? That kind of thing. People have said that for a long time, but the new research is really showing that certain foods can determine our mood. So if we're eating lots of processed food, we're going to feel more depressed and more anxious and more fatigued. But if we eat more of these whole foods and specifically targeting the kinds of foods that we're choosing, we can wake up our brain, we can improve our focus, we can improve our resilience, we can improve our just how we show up in every situation. It's really, really new science.
Yes, so true. Okay, what are some good mood foods? I like that. Good mood foods. Tell us about those.
Good mood food. So we know there are several foods that we can eat and get almost like a nearly immediate effect on our focus or our energy or our resilience. And I've got some of them displayed here. So my sort of go-to wake up your brain food are berries, blackberries, blueberries specifically, but anything that has these compounds called polyphenols. These can increase the blood flow to your brain, so you're getting more oxygen and nutrients, but they can also activate areas of the brain that are involved in focus and creativity and memory. So pomegranates are one that have been studied. Blueberries have been studied. There are really good examples of when you eat these foods, it activates those parts of the brain that you want to have active when you want to focus and do your best work.
Absolutely. Okay, I see. Do you have nuts there too? Because I know those are really good for the brain.
Nuts and seeds. So flavonoids, polyphenols are going to feed your brain and your head, what we call your first brain. Nuts and seeds have fiber and healthy fats that are going to feed your heart, what we call your third brain. So we've done some studies in our laboratory to show that when people improve the efficiency of their heart, they actually feel better. Mood goes up and fatigue goes down when you're getting the right nutrients, because you're making your heart more efficient, and those heartbeats, heart rhythms are picked up by the brain. So your brain waves and your heart rhythms sync with each other and you perform better.
Okay, good to know. Okay, what about oats and supplements at the end?
Then this last one is probably a surprise to people, that the brain in your gut, what we call your second brain, is maybe the most important of all of this. So if you can feed it fiber from things like whole grains, and one of my favorite go-tos is oatmeal, that is one of the best ways to nourish your microbiome and get those signals from your second brain up to your first brain, so you'll feel amazing. So people can mix these kinds of things up, make an oatmeal with a little bit of seeds and nuts and then some berries, and you're good to go for the day. You can take a smoothie and get the protein and the seed fibers and all the phytonutrients in a shake, and you can go right out the door. So it's really easy for people to do these kinds of things.
Yum. And you have a new book. Show it to us. I want everyone to go to his website and order it because he is amazing. Sean, thank you for joining us. It's great to see you. Thanks for all the info.
Great to see you too.